In this lecture, we will cover the process of connecting to the Linux VM running in Azure from a Mac or Linux machine. Alright, so I'm back in Azure portal in Web Server 01 page, and at the top here you see the option Connect. So if we click on Connect, the Connect to Virtual Machine pane is being displayed, and we have here RDP, and that would be used for Windows operating system machines or virtual machines, and SSH, which is the right option for this type of machine, a Linux machine. Now we are going to use the public IP address. The port number is the default one for a Linux machine, that's 22, and the command to use is SSH, then the username, this is what we have defined, Azure admin, and then the public IP. You can select this and copy, or you can just use copy to clipboard. Now let's open the terminal app on your Mac, and if you just type terminal in the search bar, you're good to go. Just hit enter, and there you go. So maybe you haven't used the terminal app up to now, that's why I wanted to briefly introduce you this one. So right click and then paste, and here is the command SSH Azure admin and then the public IP address. Enter now. Now we have to type here yes in order to accept the fingerprint and in order to say that yes, I'm sure I want to continue. So yes. And now we have to type the password. So in my case, I defined admin 123 and then exclamation mark, and then I will hit enter. So if everything is good, and here it is, now I am logged into the Web Server 01. Great, so let me just clear the screen. And of course I have connectivity to internet, that's why I connected it. I will just ping the Google DNS, and the TTL is good, time is also good. So that's really the process of how you connect to your Azure virtual machine from the terminal app in macOS, and really the process is the same if you're using another Linux operating system. In Linux you also have a terminal app, and the process is 100% the same. Thank you, and see you in the next lecture.